assign the material directly to this geometry. You can see the different colors. The quick way to do that is right click. I'm going to assign a new material. For this new material window, I'm going to assign a shader. I will do a blink shader which has reflections, or you can do a Lambert which does not have reflections. So it really depends on what you want to do. I will do a reflective, so blink will be the choice. Then you have the option to assign whatever color to this object. You see, the color will directly control how the geometry looks like. Instead of give a solid color, you can do the solid color right here. All right, see the right color. I'm going to assign a special material. So if you click the checker here, right, it looks like a black and white check. You can assign special materials. I'm not going to cover all the detail here. I want to show you is one material name is ramp, R-A-M-P, which give you a range of color. Okay, so if I can click this guy, ramp. So as a result, you can see the color directly applied to the geometry. So for example, you have green color, you have blue color at the bottom, you have the red color at the end. You can drag the bar, you can control how this color will be applied to the geometry. Okay, so this is really cool. You can use color to show the different height. You can also think about this as kind of like a contour lines in terms of the topo surface, right? In a different elevation, you have a different vegetation. You can actually simulate this kind of thing. I want to go a little bit more just than this one. I want to show you the material editor. You can actually see from window render editors Hypershade. This is a window. You can actually see the materials I just generate. I think it's a Blink 3. I can right click, graph network. So you can see this is a material network. That's a shader looks like. This is color. This is a control the scale. You can always double click, then you can manipulate. If I want to change the blue color to purple, I can do that. I can change the right color to, I don't know, blue. I can do it. Right now, if you look at the geometry, it changed. Right, it changed the color in the real time. There's another thing I want to talk really quick is if your geometry has a different orientation. If it's not flat on the X and the Z, if it's vertical. In that case, you have to apply the projection through mapping. So mapping is basically control which orientation you want to project this image. By default, it's from top and down or side. It really depends on how you create this geometry. All right. So this is the manual planar mapping. If you click the setting box, you can control which direction you want to project this image. For example, if I change the projection from x-axis to y-axis, in Maya we all know y means up, right? If you see this y-axis, that is up. So if I change from x to y, hit apply, you see what happened? So the ramp color from purple to blue is not from that direction. It's actually covered across the whole surface. Got it? So this is control where you want to project from. I can change this back to actually X. Hit apply. So you see this is the correct. Right. You can also drag these controllers, so you can change the scale. You can make it narrow, so it will repeat, or you can make it cover the entire height. All right. So for example, I'm pretty happy with this color. Then I can apply the smooth. Since I already have that, I just increase the deviation to 2. So we have this smoothed version of the geometry, right, with all the colors. So that is the first step you want to do, is apply the color if you want to have this control. Let me stop the video.